Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block a phone number on MIUI version 10. So first of all, let me show you guys that I have MIUI version 10. So let's go to the settings app. Let me tap on the about phone. And here we have the MIUI version. As you can see that I have MIUI Global 10.2 stable installed. Okay, so let's go back and block some phone numbers. Okay, so you need to find the security app on your device. Okay, so the security app is in this folder. So you need to tap over here, and here we have the security app. So just tap on it to open it. So, and you need to scroll down, and here we have the block list. Just tap on that, and here we have the gear icon. Just tap on that, and here we have the block list. As you can see that I have two SIM, Airtel SIM 1 and Vodafone SIM 2. You might have only one. So here we have this block list. Okay, so currently it is enabled. If I tap on that, you can see that it's now disabled. So in order to enable the block list, you just need to tap on this toggle to enable it. Okay, and here we have the manage block list. So here we have the option blocked numbers. As you can see that we have 0 numbers blocked right now. So here we have the message block calls and messages from specific numbers and areas. So you just need to tap on that, and you can see that we don't have any blocked numbers. So you just need to tap on this add this link, and here we have the options: add phone number, add prefix, add contacts. Okay, so here we have the add phone number, and you can add number to block list. You can enter the phone number over here. Okay, and you can choose this option, block SMS and block calls, and it will be blocked. Okay, so let me tap on the cancel. Let me tap on the add again, and also you can add prefix. If I tap on that, here we have the message, add phone number prefix to block list. So you can enter the prefix, and here we have the message, block all numbers that begin with this prefix. So you can use this option also. So let me tap on the cancel, and let me tap on the add, and here we have the add contacts. Okay, so let's add some numbers from the contacts. So let me tap on the add contacts, and on this screen you can see all of the numbers that I have. And here we have the selector. We can select the numbers. Suppose if I want to block this guy, so I just need to tap over here. You can see it's now selected, and let's select another guy. Let's tap on this. Okay, and also you can select all by tapping over here, but I want to block only these two numbers right now. And here we have the checkmark button. So just tap on that, and here we have the message block list. Add this number to block list, block SMS and block calls. If you like, you can uncheck that, block SMS, but I want to block SMS also and block calls. So after you're done selecting, you just need to tap on the OK button, and you can see guys, we have this two numbers, okay, that are now blocked. And suppose guys, if you wanna unblock the numbers, so you just need to come to this block numbers section, and here we have this edit. You just need to tap on the edit, and you just need to select it. You can also select all numbers by tapping over here, but I wanna unblock suppose this guy, so you just need to select it and tap on this delete this button. Here we have the message, remove these numbers from block list. So here we have the remove this button. Let me tap on that, and as you can see guys, it's now removed. Okay, so let me go back, and also if you have second SIM installed, let me tap on that. You can use SIM 1 settings, or you can individually block numbers from here. Okay, you need to enable this block list. Okay, and you can tap over here and you can add numbers. Okay guys, so in this way you can block and unblock phone numbers on your MIUI 10. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.